Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video will be an exciting video because I will be showing you guys what I got from the pop-up sale. I actually placed 2 orders and yeah, I only have 1 order here with me, but I will do a second part of the Boxy pop-up as soon as the other order arrives. But for the meantime, I will do this one unboxing, and if you guys are interested in what I got from the sale, just keep on watching and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. So little story for you guys. So I placed 2 orders, right? And this is actually my second order that I placed. My first order hasn't been shipped yet. I don't know why they sent me this second order. Just very confused. First Boxy pop-up order I placed was on February 15th, so that will be a month from next week. So it's been a while. I still haven't received any shipment information, none of that. I placed this second order on the 18th of February, so just 3 days apart, but I got this I think Friday, and today's Sunday. So yeah, just a little story. But anyways, let's begin with our first item. So most of these items I got are the buy one get one. So the first one is the Glow Recipe. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this was a buy one get one with the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So these two were $22, which is really nice. I haven't tried these before, so I'm pretty excited to have these in my collection. I've always wanted to try this. Looks like that. Very excited. It does have a little bit of like that oil on the top. It kind of separates right there. Smells just like the watermelon pink juice. Smells really good. And then this is the papaya one. This is the cleansing balm. Okay, so it does come with a spoolie like so. It looks like that. And not a spoolie, a little scoop. And this is the product itself. Very nice. At first I thought it was like a plastic, but it's actual glass. Very heavy. Let's see if it smells like papaya. It's been a while since I had some papaya, so oh yeah, just how I remembered. Smells just like a papaya. Because I'm from the Philippines, I used to eat a lot of papaya, and we would always dip it with vinegar and salt. I know that kind of sounds weird to some of you guys, but it's actually pretty good. That was the first buy one get one order that I got. And then I got this Alchemist or Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer. I've had this before. I actually bought a buy one get one from the last pop-up sale in November, and I gave the other one away, and then the other one I'm currently using, and I had to repurchase because I love this so much. I use this morning and night. I use this before I apply my makeup and then before I go to bed. If you have oily skin, this is amazing. It moisturizes your face, and it's just doesn't make you feel greasy at all. So along with the Grown Alchemist is the Alamus Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. So it looks like that. So these two together were $15. that's it, you guys. 15 bucks for these two, which was, I thought was a great deal. Let me show you what the Alamus looks like. So it just looks like that. I've used some of their products before and I actually really like it, so why not? Like, so very, very nice. I'm like halfway with mine. I love it so much. If you guys haven't tried this and if you have oily skin, I highly recommend you picking this up because it's really amazing. Again, those two combo is only 15 bucks from the BOXYPOP. So for the next ones, I wasn't really thinking through. I just saw the name and I thought it was skincare. I mean, I think it is skincare, but I think you use this with your makeup. Correct me if I'm wrong though. So this is the Alamus Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Again, buy one get one for these. Looks like that. I saw one person here on YouTube use this as a primer and it was kind of glowy, which is nice for the summer actually. I didn't think it was a primer, but I would probably still use it like I'm currently using with the Alchemist one. I would put it before my makeup, then apply primer, makeup, and so on and so forth. It just looks like that. So for the two, I got them for $25. This is actually perfect for the summer if you want to get that glowy, almost natural look. You can just put this on, light foundation, and you are good to go. I love that. I might gift this to someone. I'm not sure yet. If I ended up liking it, I might not even give it away. I don't know. So yeah, these two were $25. As you guys can tell, I don't really have a lot of makeup in this box. Neither does the other one. So I'm sorry to disappoint, but I love skincare. I have so much makeup and skincare is very important for you. Okay, the next ones, again, buy one get one. I already have this. I haven't used the one that I have currently, but I heard these were great, so I grabbed two more because they were buy one get one. I paid $9 for these two. These are the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. So again, skincare, you just spray this after you cleanse your face. They look like that. I really love the colors, the color of these bottles. I was gonna get the Murad toner spray, but I saw these were $3 cheaper and it's Dr. Brandt, and yeah, I just went with these ones. The Murad was $12. Yep, $12, and these were $9. So pretty excited that I got those. The next buy one get one that I got are the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser and the Tula Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. So many exfoliating stuff. I love it. Why not? These two I got for $15. Again, we all know Kate Somerville is a very expensive brand. This is what the bottle looks like. Very nice and huge. This has 4 fluid ounces, which will probably last me forever, especially for some exfoliating scrub. I don't think you can use this every day. You're only probably supposed to use this twice or 3 times a week. So this will definitely be a long-term use for me. And this one, again, another exfoliating scrub. Let's see what it looks like. This is Sean Johnson East. This is like a collaboration. It has that, you know, signature right there. I don't know if it's a collaboration or if that's the person who owns Tula. I don't know anything about Tula. All I know is their skincare. I don't know who owns it, whatnot, but pretty nice. Again, a decent bottle. This has 2.9 ounces. Lasts me a little bit. It'll probably a while till I get to use this one. We'll see. And I have other exfoliating scrubs too in my collection. The next ones, again, buy one get one. These are the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Face Mask. So they look like that. For these two, I got them for $25. Such a great deal. This is so cute. This is what the bottle looks like. It's so nice. I like this bottle so much. I've used, you know, Glow Recipe before, and I do really like them. They are very lightweight yet very hydrating to your face. It feels almost like water. It doesn't even feel greasy at all. Pretty excited about this one. My boyfriend's actually pretty excited about it too. So again, these two for $25. The last one from this order, or the last ones from this order, our very first makeup items are these Ofra banana powders. I got the buy one get one, and these were $9 for the two. I've had the little baby size before, and I didn't get to use that one because I gave it away. So I got these instead. I'm not usually a pressed powder kind of a person. I usually like to bake with loose powder, but I'm willing to try this one because it is yellow. It will definitely help brighten your under eyes. So pretty excited about this one. This is kind of huge actually. The one I got is like probably this small. So again, Ofra banana powder for $9. And yeah, that concludes my BOXYPOP order, and I got a lot of stuff and I paid a total of $130. I saved a lot of money on these because a lot of these products you can get at Sephora and Ulta. They are very prestige. We all know the brands. We all know that they are good brands. So I'm pretty happy with the BOXYPOP sales because you do save a ton of money and you get to try a lot of luxury brands, which is really nice. It's like beauty on the budget for sure. And I don't like the fact that they always extend the pop-up and you always would end up ordering more than you should have. You would end up like ordering 3 more orders after the first one because they always have these deals every single day. Buy one get one, or $2 ones, or $5 one. I don't even know. That's how they hook you up. That's how you get broke. So yeah, that concludes my pop-up sale today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I get to receive my first pop-up order here pretty soon, so I can do that video for you guys. And if you guys like this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.